Good afternoon po. Ngayon po ay June 10, 2026, Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result. Ngayon June 10, 2026, Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, June 10, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for June 10, 2026, Wednesday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Wednesday, June 10, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of June 10, 2026, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.